Hey guys, welcome to another project. Today I am going to put a stand here in order to hang the clothes dryer rack. So you can see here I made a hole, and basically this piece will go in here, and then I will put a little bit concrete on it to catch it good here, and then I will put the stand for the clothes drying rack. I will prepare it. So the reason behind is that, as you can see, I have a wall here that it is not possible to hang the dryer for it. So therefore I decided to make a stand that it can hold on that stand instead. Okay, I prepared the concrete here, and I will be putting in slowly. And then I have this wood piece, so I can just a little bit push it in. Like that. Now it's perfectly aligned. We will wait one day to get dry, and then we will get the stand on. Okay, as you can see, it's already the concrete dry now. So you can see also I made little bit space here, because if you see inside there are some holes that I would like the wood when it's raining to go through these holes, and the rain can go down to the soil, so it doesn't stuck water in there and then damage the wood. So the pieces I also bought, the stand and the plate that will be standing on the top of which will be catching this the dryer. So here this guy is it's about 180, and then it's 6.5 times 6.5, and then the plate is it's about 115 long, and yeah, about almost 22 wide, and then the thickness is 2.5. But again, if you buy 2 centimeters, it can do also the job. Now I'm going to paint them, and then see how they look. Now I am about to finish the painting of the plate, and also about to finish the stand. Then I was thinking to paint also this one here, so it looks more the same. It matches with the stand that I am painting right now. So let's do that. Okay, this is also painted. Okay, while I am waiting the other side to get dry, I can just take this guy and here and screw to that wood here to have it ready. And then when I put the stand, Then I can finish the rest of the painting. Then I will make a little hole here, first of all in the middle. Then I just use this tool just to make the hole a little bit there. Then I can just take the screw, put it here. Great. I will not screw all the way to the bottom now because I want to see when it stands, so I can measure it so in order to make it to look straight. So, but now I will go paint the rest. Okay, it's also done with the screws. I just put small pieces of plastic around just to make it straight. And just to make sure it's aligned with this guy here. So I will just also paint on the top of the screws just to look nicer. You can see. Then you won't be able to see it. Finally, the stand is ready, as you can see, and I have also my drying system is also ready. I just bought it you can buy it from the website Brabantia, or you can search after this name, and then it will look like this. And let's set them up. Okay, here it is. So you can see pretty much the stand is assembled there. It just needs to be screwed to the plate that I just made. There are some information here how it can be done, and then some measurements that I have to go after. So finally it's ready. Let's see how it works. Push this blue guy, unlock it here, and then open here. And when we're done, let's close. Put this guy and close it. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this idea, and if you have any questions, let me know. Bye for now.